Hey there, in this video I will show you how to create retargeting campaigns, what are retargeting campaigns actually about and how to create them to retarget people which already have seen your product on Amazon. That's basically already it. With retargeting campaigns you can retarget people or customers, potential customers which have visited your product page within the last 7, 14 or 30 days. And that's very powerful because it is more likely to convert someone who has already seen your product and maybe has just to see it again and again and again to become a buyer. Yeah, I will show you on the screen how to do that. See you. So we are now inside the Amazon Ads console. What we will do, we will directly click on create a campaign. We will directly click on not sponsored products, not sponsored brands, on sponsored display. We click here, create campaign. We will name it. I'll show you how I name it. Here, I always use the brand name first, then the product. It's important to be well organized in the campaign naming. Mouth foam, what eventually I also do if there are multiple ASINs, I also use the ASIN. I add the ASIN into it, and then I also, here I use the market where I run the campaign on. Here it's Germany, so DE. What I do now, I also use the campaign type. In this case, it's a sponsored display. If it would be a sponsored products campaign, I would use SP. If it would be a sponsored brand, I would use SB. And as it is a sponsored display, I will use SD. And now the purpose. So here it's a retargeting campaign. I will add it to the portfolio. I always do this. The daily budget, you can leave it the same. The ad group I name exactly similar to the campaign name. So I will also use the same name here, and I will go into here. We have different optimization strategies: reach, page visits, conversions. I always use conversions. Then I directly tick this off, keep success metric at or below the desired value. You can directly here cost per order, you can have a value like this. I don't want to have that. I will take this off. You can either use for the ad format either an image or a video. We will just keep the image. You can also use just the product. I will show it to you later how exactly I will set it up. Here I will add the product. I will just add one product. This I also take off, optimize targeting. What I do, I add the manual targeting. And I will here take the remarketing audiences. Here for the remarketing audiences, I will use those views remarketing advertised products, so you can retarget. The ad will be shown to shoppers who previously viewed the detail page of your advertised product. That means we are showing the ad to shoppers which already have visited our product page. And you can use here 30 days. 14 days, 7 days, 60 days, 90 days. What I usually do, I add all of those groups, 30, 14, and 7, 30, 14, and 7 days. I add them to the campaign, and I also get a little bit down with the bid. I go to €1 because I think 2.30, especially it's a product which isn't that expensive. It's just below $10, €10 approximately. So that would be quite too much if we pay this much for a conversion and for a click, not for a conversion. So I will start with €1 and I will check if I get any. Impressions. If not, I will higher the bid day per day a little bit more, 3 to 6 cents every day. And now what I do now, I click on done. So I have set up this. You either can add your logo, headline, image, and so on and so on. I will just leave it the same way like this. If you wonder why this image is looking as cool as it is, if I can say that, that's a click-through optimized image, what we typically do at Maximize Your Online Biz. we create images like this, which scroll the client and which stop the client from scrolling, which grabs the client's attention, and which are optimized to get as many clicks as possible, and in the end also get more sales. That's the click-through rate hack, and that is also a thing what we use. And then if everything is done, you click on launch campaign, and that's already it. Thank you for watching the video until the end. If it was helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you would like to go one step further and would like to work with our Amazon full service agency, Maximize Your Online Biz, please book a call below if you have any questions, if you need some Amazon experts. And if not, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.